What's going on, guys? You out here with your boy, Nator. Ultimate creative vibe, setting dominate, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, guys, today we're doing a sneezing check on people. We just wanna see how they gonna react if I pretend like I'm sneezing on them. So, if it's your first time here, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified next time I drop. Please like the video, guys. Let's get this video to 100 likes. Without any further ado, let's get it rolling.
Every time I got energy, word on the page. Imagine myself when I'm on the stage. Super addicted, I'm trapped in the cage. I've been feeling the pressure no matter my age. When I'm writing my lyrics, I put on the courage. I gotta be Satan, I don't want no damage. I'm in a rampage, I'm feeling the challenge. Doing this shit every day like a savage. I'm better than this, I'm better than that. It ain't competition, this nigga just scared. Why? Tell me why. Tell me why again. Jenny.
Bombastic side eye.
Bintan. I have a question. So, ngizwile kuthiwa abantwana baya-commit suicide abanye benza ama-abortion. So, mawucabanga eyiphi i-grade?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Ne? I will never end later.
Sanibonani. Njani? Ngiconduct survey lami. Bengifuna ukwazi la. Bangakho abantwana baya-grade 8 abahle ngokucabanga kwenu.
What do you mean? How have you? Oh man, you're just ruining it. Look at my lips. You're ruining it.
Sid!
Sanibonani. Njani? Saphila. Ngihamba ngibuza la. Ngabe niyazi ukuthi ubani ocreate i-chat room? Akusinto yimbi yabo. Ngifuna ukwazi because like ngihamba ngibheka la ebantwini. Ngenze
Skis. Mistake.
We don't give a fuck! Jesus! We don't give a fuck!
Skis. Mistake.
We are here.
Good tense. He was so. The John. The Frank. Dali prank. Ngedal. You prank. Ima.
Askis. Ukuthi ngine-flu. Ngine-flu, askis.
I bet, guys, that is the end of the video. But guys, please forgive me because the video was short. But if you enjoyed the video, please like the video. And if it's your first time here, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you notify me next time I drop. And mostly, guys, please share the video with your family, friends, nephews, and pets if they have Wi-Fi. And thank you for listening in, guys.